We're out of Eatonville today on a little hike. And what's the hike called?
Little Mashel Falls.
Little Mashel Falls. Was it? And you were saying it was like a 5.5 mile round trip.
I think it says 5.8 on all trails from the Pack Forest side.
And University of Washington owns this.
I think so.
Oh. Never been out here before. So it starts off on a closed road for a little ways. Now, what shoes you wearing today?
I'm wearing my hookahs. Trail runners?
The trail runners?
Are they trail runners? I can't remember.
I got the Ultras Mountain Block Speed 2 or something like that.
Are they running shoes or hiking shoes?
I think they're trail running shoes. Man, it smells good. Ooh, that really smells good. What's that smell? Like blackberry? That can't be too early for blackberry.
Yeah, it's a little too early.
I don't know what smells so nice and sweet.
Flowers are starting to bloom.
The cottonwood's starting to fall. And what was the vertical? You're saying like, is it 700 or 500 vertical?
Yeah, I think it's only like 735
Oh, okay.
elevation gain.
It's not too bad. It'll be like 72 today or 73. And you got your Hill People gear,
Yep.
fanny pack on. Ooh-wee. You like that?
My Patagonia light hoodie.
Oh.
Matches my shoes, my dirty shoes, anyways. The alpaca socks on too.
Oh, you got the alpacas on.
Yeah.
You got the footies or the whole regular hiking size?
Like the regular hiking.
Oh. I got the sporting the Hill People gear bag today. It's a light trail, so got everything in here. We're right at 1 mile now, coming out into a clearing. Starting to open up a little bit up here. Some clear cutting going on. Little tree trimming.
Looks old. Looks like we did this a long time ago.
Yes, we're still walking on this service road still at the 1 mile mark. Don't see any good sights yet at all. You get to see reindeer on this?
Yeah. I'm gonna say no.
Uh-oh.
Unfortunately.
Uh-oh. No rain dog?
It's just good to get outside. Enjoy the 70 degrees.
Yeah, yeah. Great spring weather in the Sunshine State.
I'm not sure if anybody will believe you on that one.
Sunshine? Always shine in the Pacific Northwest. The birds are talking about it.
Yeah. They're enjoying it.
Now we're at the Y in the road. I get, oh yeah, now 1.92 miles into it. We got a veer off to the left to go over to these falls, I guess. A little bit of downhill now. There's quite a bit of traffic up here. People coming and going. What time is it?
12 o'clock.
Noon.
Plus it's a holiday.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
sure a lot of people are camping down at Alder Lake there.
Gotta turn left to go to the falls down here. Kind of finally off the road.
Let's go. Okay, I can.
You ready for a break now? Had to go to the left again to go to the lower part of the falls, I guess. There's some signs in the trees up there that said take the left again on the way down to them. Here's the water now. Yeah, so it's like 2.66 miles down to the falls, down to the lower falls. Yeah, we can head back up.
Took us like, what, an hour to get to here?
Yeah, with traffic. Probably about a little bit under an hour. It'll probably take. There's no traffic. Big old traffic jam.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Now we went back up and now we're heading back down to the middle falls to go check out the middle falls. Everybody's saying that these are the best ones here, the middle falls, so go check those out. Like the middle falls the best?
Whether or not, I think I checked it out.
Oh. Nice looking falls though. Well, how'd you like that hike?
Yeah, I liked it a lot actually.
It was like 5.5 miles.
Yep. 2 hours, 7 minutes.
Oh, okay. I guess it was like,
I did pause it.
well, I guess it was an hour out to the lower falls.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, we didn't do the upper falls. There's lower, middle, and upper, I believe, and we didn't do the upper. I hear that it's not worth the trip.
Oh, the upper falls?
Yeah, that's not really much of anything.
Oh. Yeah, the middle and lower were good. Back down to the parking area now.